There is a specific kind of exhaustion that has nothing to do with sleep. You walk into your home after a long day, you close the door. You expect peace, but instead, you feel heavy. The objects around you are silent, but they are screaming at you. The unread book on the shelf is an accusation. The clothes on the chair are a reminder of your laziness. The clutter in the corner is a monument to the things you haven't done. We try to fix this feeling by tidying up. We shove things into drawers, organize the mess into neat little piles, but the heaviness remains. Why? 'Cause, in the West, we view cleaning as a chore. It is a hygiene task. We clean to hide our shame from guests. But in Japan, cleaning has nothing to do with hygiene. It is a spiritual ritual. In the Japanese tradition, there is a concept called Oosouji. It translates literally to the big clean. Traditionally, this is performed at the end of December. The goal is not just to have a clean house, but to purify the home, to welcome the Toshigami, the spirits of the new year. The ancient Japanese believed that these spirits would not enter a home that was filled with the soot of the past year. But you do not need to be religious to understand the psychology here. Oosouji is based on a terrifyingly simple truth. Your environment and your mind are the exact same thing. When your home is stagnant, your life is stagnant. When your hallways are blocked, your opportunities are blocked. We do not clean to remove dirt. We clean to remove the past. The first phase of Oosouji is called Susuharai. Why in the Edo period, homes were heated by fire pits. By the end of the year, the ceilings and rafters were covered in a thick layer of toxic soot. To clean it, you couldn't just sweep the floor. You had to look up. You had to touch the places you ignored all year. In your life, you have soot too. It is the dust bunnies living under your bed. It is the box in the closet you haven't opened since you moved in. It is the digital files on your desktop named Untitled Project. This is not just dust. It is stagnant energy. In Feng Shui and Japanese metaphysics, energy or chi must flow like water. When a corner of your room is packed with clutter that hasn't been touched in months, that energy dies. It rots. To practice Susuharai, you must do the uncomfortable thing. Move the sofa. Pull the desk away from the wall. When you physically disturb the dust in these hidden corners, you are psychologically dislodging the things you have been avoiding. You will find old papers, broken things, memories. Do not put them back. The soot must leave the house. But Oosouji is not limited to physical objects. The second phase is Kessai, the settling of accounts. In the old merchant culture of Japan, it was considered bad luck to carry a debt into the new year. All tabs had to be closed. Today, our debts are rarely just financial, they are emotional. Every unfinished task is an open loop in your brain. The email you didn't reply to, the library book you didn't return, the apology you didn't send. These are tiny drains on your battery. Even when you are resting, a part of your brain is spending energy holding on to these open loops. This is why you feel tired even after you sleep. To practice Kessai, you do not need to fix everything. You simply need to close the loop. Pay the bill, send the text, or simply decide that you are never going to do the task and delete it from your list. The relief you feel is not laziness. It is the return of your energy. Once the trash is gone and the debts are paid, we reach the final stage. Migaki, polishing. This is where Western cleaning and Japanese Oosouji drift apart completely. In the West, we spray chemicals, wipe once, and walk away. We want it to be over. But in the Zen tradition, the cleaning is the meditation. When a monk scrubs the temple floor, he does not try to finish quickly. He focuses entirely on the movement of the cloth. He respects the wood, respects the water. Try this today. Pick one object in your home that you use every day. Your kitchen sink, your shoes, your desk. Do not just wipe it, polish it. Scrub the stains that have been there for months. Treat it as if it were a sacred artifact. When you treat your environment with this level of respect, you send a signal to your subconscious. I respect my life. I respect my space. You do not need to move to a monastery to find peace. You do not need to change your entire life overnight. If you feel overwhelmed, stop thinking. Pick up a broom. Open the windows. Let the old air out. As the Japanese saying goes, when you clean the room, you clean the soul. Start with one corner today.